Hey, what's up YouTube? Bo, Blacktop Nomad here, once again with a quick tip video. So today, I figured I would do this because I ran into this issue a little bit ago. I recently found an old Power Wheels for one of my nieces and nephews, and I converted it to run on these lithium ion batteries out of my DeWalt, which I figured was kind of a cool thing because, you know, the batteries for those things are really expensive, and this I have laying around the shop all the time. But what I did notice is when the kids would run these out, they would run them all the way out, and I couldn't get these batteries to charge again. And I guess it's a common problem with these lithium ion batteries. Sometimes they get run all the way out, it can take a jump to get these things to charge back up. So if you've run into this issue, your batteries may not actually be junk. They may just need a little jump charge to get them to actually accept a charge on the charger. So let me show you what I'm talking about. What happens when the cell gets completely drained out is you'll click it and nothing happens. There's no indicators, there's no bars, it's completely dead. You'll go to throw it on the charger and nothing happens, or the light will be like really faint and it just won't charge. So you think maybe there's something wrong with the battery, but let me show you a trick that can actually help you to get these batteries to accept a charge again. So if you notice on the sides of your batteries, you'll see this B positive and this B negative on each terminal side. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to grab a second battery, and what you're going to have to do is bridge the connections between these two. So once you've got your two batteries, next thing you're going to need is two pieces of wire, roughly about 3 or 4 inches long, just long enough where you can bridge between the two batteries. Solid or stranded, it doesn't really matter, but solid would be preferred as sometimes the strands are a little hard to get in between the prongs, but they will work in a pinch. Then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to insert one end into the positive end of the terminal, and then slide that other end of that wire into the other side of the positive terminal, like so. Then you're going to take your second wire it into the negative terminal, and then you will wire that in to the other side of that terminal. So they will be bridged just like that. And you will let that sit for roughly 10 seconds on the start. It may have to go up a little bit longer depending on how low the charge was on your battery. To test, then all you need to do is throw your battery back on the charger, and it should start blinking, indicating that it's charging. And that's the fix. Your batteries aren't junk after all. They were just low enough where they just needed to jump. And then the indicators eventually will start working again once it's charged up. But anyway, there it is. A simple solution to try and resurrect what you previously thought was maybe a junk battery and save you some money in the process. So hopefully this was a helpful tip. If you want to follow along for more helpful tips, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I hope to see you guys out there. Take care. See you guys in the next video.